The sun shone warmly over Game village in Mustang on a clear summer day. The sky was wide and blue, and villagers went about their day.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Norbu, a quiet 14-year-old, ran with his friends, but he often stayed at the edge of the courtyard, watching them stir invisible soups and sprinkle leaves. He was captivated by the gentle rhythm of their pretend cooking.
Norbu, come here and play with us.
Norbu, come on. You are supposed to hide.
I don't want to.
Later that day, hunger led him to the kitchen at his home. He gathered potatoes and a handful of buckwheat flour. Then he chopped the potatoes with careful, clumsy hands.
Norbu, what are you doing? This isn't boys' work. If you do this, then won't others taunt me? Go, wash your hands and do your homework.
Norbu obeyed but stayed nearby. He watched her stir, sprinkle spices, and taste with care. A week later, his mother fell ill, and the kitchen suddenly depended on him. Norbu felt disappointed when the rice burned and stuck to the pot.
Tomorrow, use more water for the rice. You can use your finger to check. Not as bad as it looked.
Tashidele, how are you feeling?
Much better. Thank you, Tashi. How's the hotel?
Busy, too busy. And now I must leave to help build a new bridge. And on top of that, we have no cook.
No cook? That is a problem during tourist season.
If only I could find someone, even just for help.
My Norbu, he has been cooking at home. He has a real interest in it.
Your son? In the kitchen?
Yes, he's still learning, but he's passionate.
Bring him tomorrow. I'll be there. We'll try. Yo, Norbu, we need Champa and Surbik. Quickly!
Is there sugar instead of salt in this? Sweet dal? Very strange.
Shh, it's not polite. Plus, I think that kid made it.
Well, it has been a busy kitchen for them.
This tastes sweet.
Norbu walked home slowly with his head down. He felt sad and heavy inside because he thought he had failed. Days passed and the Yertung festival drew near. Villagers gathered from all around.
Chuba. These are my sneakers. My aunt brought these for me from Johnson.
This is my army dress.
Norbu stayed quiet and did not feel excited like the others.
More water. This one is burning. Where's the buckwheat flour? Where did the others go? Off playing cards again? We need more hands here.
I can help.
Good. Start with that pot. Stir it.
Should we?
Let him try.
Who made this curry? It's delicious.
The jimbo is perfect. Not too much.
And the momo, such amazing flavor.
One by one, people praised the dishes. Norbu felt happy again, like the sun coming out after clouds.
Norbu, everyone's talking about the food. You made this?
I didn't know you could cook like this.
I'm still learning.
You should have joined us that day. You have a talent for cooking.
After that, every tourist season, the Gami hotel asked Norbu to help in the kitchen. People remembered his special dishes. Over time, he dreamed of opening his own restaurant in Gami to share his food with visitors.